And the reality is, if you study the wealthiest, I don't mean Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. I mean, if you study Goldman Sachs, that's where the real wealth is.
Okay.
Study the wealthiest.
Explain that. Why isn't it Gates and Buffett?
Because they're only worth 80 million, 80 billion. Okay. You know, Goldman Sachs will destroy 80 million in an hour.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to tell y'all guys once again, please download this app, Dosh. It's the next best thing in cashback apps, but what's the beautiful thing about it, they give you $5 just for downloading the app and linking a debit card to it. That's exactly how you're going to get the $5. So go ahead and do that, and go ahead and do that if you haven't done that already. But you came to the video because you really want to make some money. So, but once you download this app, come over here to refer. You want to get your link. This is your link. Whatever it says, it is your link. When you get to the app, go to refer. That's your link. You want to share the mess out of this thing. You want to share to people on Facebook. Not just post it. Share it to people on inboxes on Facebook. Share it to Twitter. Send it to people text messages. You guys, the sky is the limit. The sky is not the limit, basically, with this app. I just really want to show you today what I have made today. Well, basically yesterday when I checked it. See, today is the 16th, and so far I only made 2 referrals. So I got $10 already. It's only 6 in the morning. But guys, let's look at yesterday, the 15th. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 referrals yesterday. 14 times $5. That's $70. I gave $70 away and Dosh paid me $70. You guys, this app doesn't get any better. Just download it, link your debit card to it. It don't matter, the debit card ain't gotta have money on it. Just link it to it so it can verify it, check your email address, you know, do all the necessary steps to get the $5. And once you get your $5, come over here and get your link and share it. Share it. That's it. Man, I love the app so much. I'm also looking for more apps just like this. And if you have any apps just like this that's giving away $5 or more just for doing simple tasks, please leave them in the description. I would love to know about it and love to take part in the festivities, because we all love money. So go ahead, get the Dosh app, download it, link your debit card to it, get the $5, share your link, and let's get this moolah, baby. Hey man, so if y'all find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right.